some. I'm in the laundry room. It's just starting to tell. I don't know where Raven went. Get what's left of their mash. This is just their food, layer pellets mixed with water until it's a mush. And they honestly act like this is a delicacy treat. This way they have access to food out here all day and they eat this up pretty quickly. But what's so funny is sometimes instead of giving them an actual treat, I just take this, put it on the ground, and then they act like it's a whole other treat. The ravens definitely look less than like a pile of fried chicken than the reds did, and the sparrows did. Aww. My babies. I just thought this was delightful. It is Egg Zone, presented to you by Dog. She really come out here to tell you.